Welcome to our delectable journey through Southern cuisine, where today we explore the perfect drink pairings for iconic Southern desserts. Southern desserts are not just treats, they're rich in history and bursting with flavors that speak of comfort and tradition. From the creamy textures of banana pudding to the rich spiciness of sweet potato pie, each dessert offers a unique taste experience that can be enhanced by the right beverage. Let's start with a classic, pecan pie, a staple in Southern kitchens. This buttery and nutty dessert with its caramelized filling pairs wonderfully with a robust coffee. The strong, slightly bitter flavors of coffee perfectly cut through the sweetness of the pie, balancing each bite. As we see footage of pecan pie being served with a steaming cup of coffee, imagine the harmony of flavors playing on your palate. Next, we delve into a vibrant Southern classic, red velvet cake. This dessert is visually striking with its rich red color contrasted against the creamy white of cream cheese frosting. The ideal companion to this sweet treat is a glass of chilled sweet tea. The tea's mellow sweetness complements the tangy cream cheese, creating a refreshing and balanced flavor profile. View scenes of a frosted red velvet cake alongside a cold glass of sweet tea, showcasing a perfect match for a hot Southern day. For a truly indulgent pairing, consider the beloved chocolate bourbon pecan pie, a twist on the traditional recipe with the addition of rich chocolate and bold bourbon. The complexity of bourbon, with its notes of vanilla and caramel, enhances the chocolate's depth, making for an exquisite dessert experience. Visualize scenes of this pie being enjoyed with a finely aged glass of bourbon, each sip echoing the depth and warmth of the dessert. Lastly, we look at the heartwarming peach cobbler. This comforting dessert, with its layers of juicy peaches and crisp crust, requires something light and refreshing for balance. A tall glass of iced tea, possibly with a hint of mint or lemon, makes for an ideal pairing. The brisk freshness of the tea complements the sweetness and tartness of the cobbler, rounding out a delightful eating experience. Watch as a rustic peach cobbler is served with a refreshing glass of iced tea, inviting you to savor each flavor.